Hi, I'm Ryan with the Talos Tech team, and I'm here to show you how to manually lift off and land the drone. So first off, we're going to start off with turning on the drone. So it's just a press once, press again, and press and hold. All right, same thing with the remote to turn on. Just press once and then press and hold. All right, now once your remote is good and up and running, pretty much this is the home page it'll take you to, and you'll just press begin. Now, let me see if I could show you here. So to take off, this is just to show you where I'm moving the sticks. So take off, you basically pull down and in, and pretty much it'll look like that. And there you go. Now, by default, the drone is set to mode 2, so the left stick will control ascend, descend to yaw left and right, and then the right stick will control basically moving forward, backward, or moving left and right. Now, it automatically turns off if you leave the drone on while it's on the ground, so we're going to turn it on again. So again, down and in. And like I said earlier, in mode 2, it's going to be the left stick to control the altitude. So we just slowly lift up the left stick. And simple as that. And then again, right stick is to control direction. So turning right, turning left, and to move forward, and to move back. So let me get it back in position. All right. Now to land the drone, you just, instead of moving up, you press the left stick down, and just to be pretty much careful, you slowly press down on the joystick and keep an eye on the drone and watch as it goes down. Very slowly. And then once it's touching the ground, you press the joystick all the way down to make sure to turn off the motors and land it. So when you're flying your drone, a good thing to keep note of is you want to make sure you are aware of your surroundings before you take off and before you land. Pretty much make sure you have a clear area for the drone and no obstructions, just to be safe. And there's obstacle detection on the drone, but prioritize kind of knowing your surroundings first.